student, welcome to my class Mathematical Hunter. In the previous class, we have discussed about the type of polynomials, and today we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of polynomial based on variables, values of polynomial, and how to find out the zeros of polynomial, how to find out the values of polynomial. Okay, now see, writing a polynomial's name. Here you can see one polynomial, that is 3y plus 4. So this polynomial can be written in the short form like py, okay, and we will read it like polynomial of variable y. Okay, now consider this one 4m plus 5. Here you can see one variable is here, that is m, so it can be written as pa. This can be read as polynomial of variable n. Okay, polynomial of variable n. Okay, look at here, this one we can say, yes, obviously this will be your polynomial of variable r. These are the polynomial based on the variables. Okay, we will discuss the value of polynomial. Look at the first example. Here 3y to 4. Now here is the instruction given here that put y is equal to 2. So in order to get the value of polynomial, we have to put 2 instead of y. Okay, now I am writing this p y is equal to, I have already told you, the polynomial with variable y is your 3y plus 4. Okay, now in order to put the value of 2 instead of y, the naming is changing like this, polynomial with variable 2, and now this y converted to 2. Now the value will be 6 plus 4 and the result is 10. So we can say for a value of y, that is 2, the value of the polynomial py changes to 10. Okay, now this one we can write it px is equal to how much? 4x square plus 3x plus 3. Now put x is equal to 1. So this polynomial changes like this. So we will put this square plus 3 into 1 plus 3. Okay. Now 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 plus 3. This is your value 10. Now for value 1 instead of x, the polynomial value is 10. Now come to this one, Pm is equal to 4m plus 5. So P2 is equal to, now we are changing this, is equal to, instead of m we will put the value 2. Sorry, here plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 30. Imply that P2 for the value 2, the value of polynomial 4m plus 5 is now 13. Now come to this, Ps is equal to 3sq plus 2s plus 8. Now put the value 0. The value will be now. Okay. Now next, now we will discuss what is zero of polynomial. So in order to find out the zeros of polynomial, first of all we have to know what is the zeros of polynomial. Now let's suppose here is one polynomial of variable x like ax square plus bx plus c. For a certain value, I just want to replace the value of x with that value. मैं यहाँ पर x के वैल्यू के बदले और एक वैल्यू पुट करना चाहता हूँ. Let's take x is equal to q. Now my polynomial will be converted like this. After all the calculation, here my polynomial become 0. So now we will say this value q is a 0 of polynomial px. 0 of polynomial px. Now take another example here. If we take x is equal to a, now the polynomial will be converted to PA. Now we will put the value a instead of x there. Now look, after the calculation, now it has become also 0. So we will also say that this value of x is the 0 of the polynomial px, that is nothing but your ax square plus px plus c. This is all about your zeros of polynomial. Let me take some example. Here px is equal to x plus 5. I just put x is equal to minus 5. Arbitrarily, कुछ ना जानते हुए मैंने एक x का वैल्यू पुट कर दिया. ठीक है. Now this polynomial will be converted to p minus 5, and instead of x, what will be put? Minus 5 plus 5. So the value becomes 0. So here we can say that minus 5 is the 0 of polynomial px, that is nothing but your x plus 5. Okay. Next we will discuss how to find out the zeros of polynomial. Here we discuss about the zeros of polynomial. In the next we will discuss about the technique to find out the zeros of polynomial. Here we will discuss how to find out the zeros of polynomial. Okay, now look at the first technique, first step of the technique. You see, we have to equate the polynomial with 0 first. Okay, now the second step was we have to solve for the respective variable taken in the polynomial. मतलब polynomial जो variable हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं उसका सोल्यूशन निकालना है हमको। एज यूजुअल जब जैसे हम क्लास 7, 8 में सॉल्व करते थे, x का वैल्यू, m का वैल्यू, कोई भी वेरिएबल का वैल्यू दिया गया होता है और हमको उसका सॉल्व निकालना होता है। लाइक दिस इज वन एग्जाम्पल, लुक हियर 3x minus 2. Okay, now we'll write it px is equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, now first step we have to equate the polynomial with 0 first. It means px is equal to 3x minus 2, so we can write this will be 0. Now here simply we'll write 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to, यहाँ माइनस था, यहाँ का प्लस हो गया, x is equal to 2/3. So for the value, what? For the value 2/3, the respective polynomial will be now 0. yes or no? वेरीफाई करते हैं, देखिए put x is equal to 2/3. so p 2/3 पुट करेंगे इसी पोलिनोमियल में, 3 into x के जगह कितना पुट करेंगे, 2/3 minus 2. okay, now 3 3 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. look here, your polynomial become what? Become 0 for the value what? 2/3. so we can say that 2/3 is 0 of your polynomial, and by this technique we will calculate the 0 of a polynomial. Next, this one, px is equal to 2x minus 5. Now 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. This will be left. Okay, now 2x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5/2. x is equal to 5/2. Now for this value, this is known as your zeros of polynomial. Okay, this is known as your zero of polynomial 2x minus 5. Here px is equal to 3x minus 6. so px is equal to 0 इक्वेट करेंगे, इसका मतलब क्या होगा, 3x minus 6 is equal to 0 हो जाएगा, और 3x is equal to क्या होगा, 6, and x is equal to 6/3. this is nothing but your 2. so 2 can be said that it is one polynomial, it is one zeros of the polynomial 3x minus 6. calculate this. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe my channel Mathematical Hunter, and stay tuned for latest update.